If you are from Africa and you have been thinking of the right platform where you can get remote role, this video is for you. I will encourage you to stick around while we are going to trash it and get a particular site where you can get a remote role. Let's begin with the general problem with Africans when it comes to remote role. We have issues with getting the right platform that is best for Africans. Another issue that we are having is we have issue with trust. Most of these people that we are aspiring to work with, they don't trust us. I don't want to mention any particular country here, but you all know the challenges we face generally. So, and there are many platforms that are available for remote role, but most of these platforms are not tailored for Africans. So they are not meant for Africans to get a remote role, which is quite difficult. I've seen a couple of roles available that I want to apply for that. I will get a notification that, look, this is not available for your location, or this is not available for your region, which is a strong barrier for Africans. So if you're a virtual assistant and you have been thinking of which platform can you get a remote role, I highly recommend this particular platform I want to talk about in this video. Now, we all know I don't tell people lies on my YouTube channel. I'll tell you the way it is. This particular platform I'm talking about is called RemoteForAfrica. It is specifically meant for Africa freelancer or Africans who want to work remotely. You know, there's a difference between freelancing and working remotely. I am a freelancer because I have to sort out for clients by myself and I work with any client that I want. But remote work is just as if you are working in a company, you will be hired officially and you have to work for some time. So that is it. I'm going to create a longer video on which is better, the good side and the bad side of freelancing and working remotely. So as I was saying, this particular site, I came across it and I researched about it. Then I realized that they are using premium, like paid platform. So you have to make payment and become a premium subscriber before you can be able to apply for jobs. You will get access to the jobs, you'll be seeing it, but you will not see how to apply. So to be honest with you, I made a subscription. I subscribe, and because I really want to understand what is going on there, I want to know if it is not a scam zone. You know, I'm sharing it publicly here, so I don't want something that is going to be a lie at the end of the day. So I want to show you the back end of this website and how you can apply for it. So let me show you. So go to www.remoteforafrica.com. I'm on the website now and I want to show you my account that I have to do premium subscriptions to have access to this. So I did a 1 month subscription. You can see it. So there is quarterly subscription, there is yearly subscription. So this is the one that I am currently on, the 1 month subscription. You can see this is my subscription. It is active. So what am I saying? I'm just showing you this for you to know that the information I'm sharing with you here, they are real information. So now what do you need to do here if you're a virtual assistant or you're just looking for a remote role? Just come here and type a particular job you're looking for. Let's say you are a social media manager and you want to search for job related to social media. You type the keywords and enter search. Then it's going to bring out social media related job. So these are some jobs that they are looking for: social media marketing assistant, social media assistant influencer, outreach focus, social media manager, social media specialist, content creation and social media strategy. So these are the jobs that are available on this site. So for instance, if I'm choosing marketing virtual assistant or content creation and social media strategy, here is what it means. You click on the job and you have the details of the job, the overview, the scope of the job, what you're expected to do, the skills that is needed, the work schedule, everything, everything that is needed will be provided here. Then you can now click on apply now. Once you click on apply now, it's going to take you to another page, and that page we have an opportunity. So this is the apply now page. Now this page you will have a detailed information about the job. Then upload your resume, type your email address, add your work experience, summary, click on continue and add other details, then you submit your work. Sometimes they used to get back for assessment, which is not compulsory, and you can always skip that process if you don't want to. So that's all. It's simple platform that is easy to use, and I will encourage you to visit this platform and learn more. You can always use the link in my caption to explore the platform if it is a price fit for you.